Welcome back to Carl Ventures. Today, we're diving into the electrifying journey of Noah Lyles as he prepares for the Paris Olympics and how he's gearing up for its golden moment. Hello and welcome back to the Carl Ventures channel. With our vlog series, we'll take you along weekly as we prepare for our trip to witness the world event of our dreams. We will document our journey, giving you a glimpse of our detailed itinerary, highlighting key events, our Team USA Olympic gear selections, and of course, the final countdown as we eagerly anticipate our next vlog from Paris itself. So buckle up and let's go! Noah Lyles has been making waves not just on the track but also on our TV screens. His recent appearance on The Kelly Clarkson Show was a testament to his charisma and determination. He shared his insights into his training regimen and his unwavering focus on clinching gold medals in both 100 and 200 meters. On The Tonight Show with Jimmy Fallon, Lyles opened up about his mental preparation and the challenges he faced. His confidence and dedication were palpable. But the clearest indication of his preparation was during the US Olympic trials, where Noah's determination to go for gold was on full display to own this race. With powerful strides and unmatched speed, he prevailed and clinched the top spot with a personal best of 9.81 seconds, despite a negative wind speed of 0.3. Akane Simbini took second with 9.86, and Letziel Tobogo secured third with 9.88. Lyles cruised to the finish line with ease, his face radiating with confidence. Now let's take another look at the fast-paced speed of this race and how Lyles recovered from his slow start to edge everyone else. The final results show Lyles with a personal best 9.81 seconds and 4 others under 10 seconds. In a post-race interview, Lyles reflected on the race and his preparation. And despite the wind factor and personal challenges, he mentioned patience was there, speed was there. It's becoming clear that his path to Olympic gold is getting closer and closer each day.
Today, I feel like I got to show some of that. I didn't get to show nearly as much. I've been having a lot better block starts than I feel like I showed today, but the patience was there and I feel like the speed was there. So the pieces are definitely coming together, and even the wind was against me today. So I'm like, if we're running this fast in the negative winds, I'm ready for anything.
Let's talk about Paris. How excited are you then to getting it all together for the Olympic Games?
I'm so excited.
So what do you think? Will Noah Lyles bring home the gold in Paris? And if so, how many? Leave your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching and see you in the next adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more.